it's Minority Report Quran.
Yeah.
Right? So
we're able to break each verse down, letter by letter, sound by sound, rule by rule. And so they're just focused and locked in on that specific point. Their mind's not going to be, wandering to other verses or anything else that's on the screen,
Or they'll be so enamored by the fact of like, yo, how they doing that?
Assalamu alaikum, guys, and welcome. You guys are all familiar with me by now by the end of your 10-day Quran challenge. Those are all pre-recorded, but I'm looking forward to you guys on Saturday, Bidhnahi ta'ala, for a live webinar. Now that you've mastered those 10 surahs and you applied those different rules to each surah, we're going to take a deep dive, Bidhnahi ta'ala, on Saturday with the 4 Quls. You're going to learn those 10 rules that you learned on those 10 surahs and more, Bidhnahi ta'ala. We're going to go more. Basically, it's going to be a master Tajweed class of Surah Al-Kafirun, Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq, and Surah An-Nas in real time. We're going to be going through verse by verse, and as you can see, I literally have the Quran, the verses are overlaid over me. So it's going to be a great interaction. I think you guys are going to love it. I know I'm excited to see you guys. I can't wait to see you guys then. See you guys over there. Assalamu alaikum.